Hey, it's Ross. Today, I'll show you how to keep all of your work organized while collaborating with your growing team with Workspaces. To create a workspace, start by clicking here. We'll add workspaces for each department so teams can focus on the projects they need to. Next, browse all workspaces in your account from here, and click into any workspace to subscribe individuals, even entire teams. Subscribed workspaces will show in the drop-down here for a team member, allowing them to quickly switch gears depending on the project or workflow. While open workspaces are available on all plans, enterprise users can add a layer of permission with closed workspaces. As a note, any team member can join an open workspace. In doing so, they'll be able to see all main boards and any private or shareable boards they've been invited to. When switched to closed, enterprise team members must be added by the workspace owner or an account admin in order to gain access to the main boards inside. And what's more, enterprise customers can take things even further by incorporating workspace permissions. Toggle the ability for members to create private boards, dashboards, and even creating item updates if needed. Complete control over the content added in your account. Need to move boards around? No problem. You can right-click the board title on the left pane and select the right workspace to move your board into. To keep things extra tidy, try adding folders. And finally, let your team's personality shine by customizing each workspace. Workspace owners can adjust the icon, color, and even add a fun cover photo by clicking here. And there you have it. Thanks to Workspaces, you'll spend less time scrolling and more time getting things done. That's it for now. Click here for more tips on getting started with monday.com.